In the US, women earn around 75 cents for every dollar a man makes.
In the UK, the pay gap currently stands at 66%. Women earn 2/3 of what men do.
In July 2017, the BBC verified many people with salary statistics.
In the BBC's annual report, it is revealed that Chris Evans made between £2.2 million and £2.25 million in 2016 to 2017.
While Claudia Winkleman was the highest paid female celebrity, earning between £45,000 and £500,000.
This is absolutely unacceptable.